Ever pondered if your pet dog or cat might be a lefty or a righty? Just as in humans, our furry friends too exhibit a preference for their left or right paw. Intriguing, isn't it? Studies reveal that around 90% of humans are right-handed, but in the case of our pets, it's a different story. Dogs and cats are split evenly between right and left-pawedness. Not only that, but they also show ambidextrous traits, using both paws equally. Next time you play fetch or dangle a toy, observe which paw your pet uses first. It's a fun way to discover more about your beloved pet's personality. Remember, whether left, right, or ambidextrous, each pet is unique, and that's what makes them so special.